welcome to today's video. Well guys, in today's video I have two little co-hosts with me. Meet Stella and this is Scarlett. And yes, they are my identical twin granddaughters. If you notice, Stella right here is a little bit of the smaller of the two twins. She had restricted growth in the womb, but she's healthy, she's catching up, she's doing wonderful. They are 5 months old now. They were born actually a whole month early. But anyway, this is Stella and Scarlett. So what I'm going to do, guys, because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have not been able to record videos anymore. I am on grandma duty, and this is what I do 5 to 6 days a week now. So I got my Ipsy box, and I'm just going to wing this video, and we are going to do the best we can with two little babies. And yes, Stella, you're going to be a good girl for Nana? Yeah? You're going to be a good girl for Nana? And if you can see, we are not dressing up. We are in our little fall PJs, and we're keeping it nice, casual, and comfy around here. So let's see what Nana, me, have got in my little box. Now I've already went ahead and opened it. Okay, so this is the Ipsy Glam Bag X, if I didn't say that already. And wow, look at this, guys. I complain when they won't even give you a postcard telling you what the items are in the box. On the Glam Bag X, you get a whole newspaper. Look at this, Stella. That's Huda. That's Huda Katan. I guess that's how you say her name. Okay, so in here, we got everything that you could have got in the box. And I am super impressed with this. I love this paper. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first item out. And this is the PMD Clean. And let's see what Nana can find out about this. Let's see, we need to find out what what we do is we need to find out what this is. This is a facial tool wand. It's a facial cleansing device, and it costs $99. And it's made with ultra hygienic silicone. It uses sonic vibrations to deep clean, help purify pores, and treat your face to a lifting and toning massage. Hey, don't tell your mommy, but do you think your mommy would like that for Christmas? Do you think your mommy would like that for Christmas? I think I'm going to give this to my daughter for a Christmas gift. Yeah. You think your mommy like that? Scarlett, what do you think? They're not interested. Okay, and the next item out is this, and this is called Wishful Honey Balm. Okay, here it is. Wishful Honey Balm Niacinamide Moisturizer, and this is $43. And you know, I don't remember what I picked out and what got picked for me, but I think I picked this one out, and it says, "There's so much to love about this moisturizer, the unique jelly texture. It's perfect under makeup, honey that locks in moisture, turmeric that brightens dark spots, and niacinamide that minimizes pores and textures." So great, and this is a good size container. Let's open this up and look at it. Let's see. Oh, that's a beautiful package. It's purple. It looks like a clear gel. Try to smear a little bit on my hand here. Feels nice. It has a very nice, clean smell. I'm going to describe it as clean because I don't know how else to say it. It says it has honey and turmeric. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. I don't know. Are you kicking my box? Are you kicking my box, Scarlett? Huh? Look at your little pumpkin pies and your little cocos. You gonna say hi to everybody, Scarlett? Huh? You gonna say hi? Okay, so we got that. here, you know what Nana's gonna do? Nana's gonna empty this all out. You guys just hang out with me because I don't know what I'm doing. For good or for bad, we're gonna do this. Yeah, for good or for bad, we're gonna do this. Okay, I hope this is picking up. Okay, so we have that moisturizer. We have the wand here. And then the next thing we have is Gold Faden MD. And this is needleless solution. And I think I did pick this one out. This one seemed familiar. Okay. Wow. $165 for this. Wow. It better erase some lines for that. Fewer lines, no injectables needed. Sounds like a dream, right? Nope. This powerful anti-aging serum does just that with moisture boosting hyaluronic acid and firming seaweed extract. And it says, press this serum into clean, dry skin to boost absorption and efficiency. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. That is awesome. I got some good skincare. Now, I know a lot of people are more makeup oriented. At my age, I'm more skincare oriented. I want all skincare as much as I can. But speaking of that, we are moving on to not skincare. And this is called Cover FX Primer. And let's see what I can find about this. What's primer, Stella? Stella, do you know what primer is? Primer is something you put on your face before makeup. And it helps your makeup stay nice. Okay, here it is up in the corner. And the price on this is $38, and it's a gripping primer. And it says, good makeup days are in your future thanks to this smoothing face primer. It helps create an instant tightening effect and grips onto makeup for flawless all-day wear. Okay, ooh, awesome. Okay, oh. All right, what else we got, Stella? Scarlett, Scarlett. How are we gonna get you in this? I feel like you're being covered up over here. You're being covered up. She's happy. She's happy. We'll leave her alone. We don't mess with happy babies, right? Okay, and this I think I did pick out because I remember anything Ahava. Every time I have got anything from Ahava, I have absolutely loved it. And this is a Derma Mud Intensive Foot Cream for $29. And it says, give sore, tired, and cracked feet the TLC they deserve with the blend of nourishing Dead Sea Mud, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. So my husband will be giving me a foot massage because he's awesome like that. So there we go. Say Papa's good, huh? Scarlett, come say hi to the folks. Come say hi to the folks. Say hi, Scarlett. Okay, let's see. Okay, now, Nana is not going to say bad words in front of the little babies, are we? No, we're not. But this is called Rich Bee. And what is Rich Bee? Let's see if I can find out what Rich Bee is. It is by Freck Beauty, and it says, dark spots, fine lines, redness, dryness. This moisturizer helps tackles them all thanks to a combo of vitamin C and oil. And the price on this is $32. Yes, ma'am, $32 for that. Scarlett, you want to lay back down? Were you more comfortable? Nana was more comfortable. Here, you lay down. You're having fun. You lay down over there. Okay, I only have 2 more items. And we have Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is called the Overachiever Concealer, and I didn't get to pick this out because if I would have, I would not have picked concealer because I'm not a big concealer fan. Only a makeup mogul as skilled as Huda could design a multitasking concealer this good. True to its name, the Overachieving formula is creamy, full coverage, and easily hides everything from breakouts to dark circles without feeling heavy or looking cakey. Okay, I'll give it a try, but that is my main complaint about concealers is they settle into your fine lines as you get older, and I think it emphasizes them, and so I have not been the biggest fan of those. No, because I don't have smooth, pretty little baby skin like you. No, I don't. Okay, then I got one more thing. Wow, guys, I got some nice stuff, though, beside the concealer. This is Rare Beauty, and this is, what is this, girl? What is this? Gratitude Lip Balm, Dewy Lip Balm for $16. And it says, there's nothing basic about this lip balm. It uses nourishing shea butter and botanical ingredients like lotus gardenia and white water lily to soothe dry, chapped lips and help lock in moisture. Plus, the sheer tint looks gorgeous on all skin tones. So, let's check this out. That is the way it looks. It's kind of like a brownish tone. Melted very easily. I hope it's on my lips and not halfway all over my face. But if it is, it is. Let's just laugh about it. Okay, guys, so this is everything that I got. I got the Rich Bee lotion. I got the concealer from Huda. I got the Wishful moisturizer. I got the PMD facial cleansing wand. I have the Rare Beauty lip balm. I have the Ahava foot cream, and I have the Cover FX gripping primer. And I have two little angel granddaughters who were great for Nana today and were my nice little co-host. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But before I go, well, instead of just tell you everything that's in this paper that you could have got, I'll just take pictures and I'll insert them right here so you can see what you could have got. But hey, for $55, I'm pretty happy with everything I got. And I got a Christmas gift from my daughter. So, hey, that pays for the box right there. Okay, well, guys, I hope you guys have a lovely weekend, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, guys.